YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be drawing the most well-known and adorable Pokemon there is.
Pikachu!
That's right.
Don't forget about me!
Oh, sorry. Hi, Inky. Anyway, should we get started?
Pika! Let's do it!
Let's go! The first step in drawing your Pikachu is doing a line here that extends here and goes back up there like that. You're also going to draw two big long shapes like those with lines at the top that are filled in black. Your next step is to draw the eyes. You do two circles like this and this with smaller circles inside of them.
You know why Pokemon have eyes?
Why, Inky?
So they can Pikachu.
Then you're going to start on the nose. Do a tiny little triangle here. And then you do a line there. And a triangle looking shape here. With a line inside. Then you do a circle here. And a circle here. And you're also going to do an L shape here and a bunch of little lines here on both sides.
Fun fact, if you translate Pikachu into English, it means electricity crackling mice.
You're also going to do a circle here, a line here, and two little foot shapes here.
Fun fact number 2, Pikachus love ketchup.
You're also going to do a jagged line that goes like that. With that at the top. Then you have this part. You draw a line here, and you color it in.
Boy Pikachu tails are flat at the end, but girl Pikachu tails look like the top of a heart at the end. Also, Pikachu tails don't really have a black tip. Sorry, I probably should have mentioned that earlier. Don't blame me, it's her fault.
It's called artistic license, Inky. Also, you can add little lightning bolts around it like this.
Pikachus can release 100,000 volts of electricity with their signature move, Thunderbolt.
That's all for your Pikachu. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And now, your Pikachu is complete. I hope you had fun drawing it. I sure did.
Pikachu! I think I'm starting to understand their language.
Okay, well, if anybody has any suggestions for what I should draw next, you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com and I'll take your suggestion and turn it into a video. That's all. Thanks. Bye.
Bye! Gotta draw 'em all.